Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, offers a unique approach to finance. It operates independently of central banks and governments, offering a decentralized alternative. This decentralized nature makes it resistant to censorship and control. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't subject to inflation in the same way. Bitcoin is a digital currency, existing solely online. It's not tied to any government or central bank, operating independently. Think of it like email for money. You can send and receive Bitcoin anywhere in the world, instantly. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. This blockchain technology ensures transparency and security. Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it resistant to censorship and control. The analogy of Bitcoin as digital gold is often used. Like gold, Bitcoin is scarce. Its supply is limited to 21 million coins. This scarcity contributes to its perceived value. The blockchain is the underlying technology that powers Bitcoin. It's a public, distributed ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction. Imagine a giant digital spreadsheet, duplicated across a network of computers. Every time a Bitcoin transaction occurs, it's added to a block of data. These blocks are then chained together, forming the blockchain. This chain of blocks is what gives the technology its name. It's a clever and elegant solution to the problem of trust in a decentralized system. Decentralization is a core principle of Bitcoin. It means that no single entity controls the network. Think of it as the opposite of a traditional bank. With a bank, your money is held by a central authority. With Bitcoin, your money is held by the network itself. This decentralization offers several advantages. Decentralization makes Bitcoin resistant to censorship. Bitcoin mining is the process of verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain. It's like a digital gold rush, where miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the blockchain and receives a reward in Bitcoin. This reward is the incentive for miners to participate in the network. Mining requires specialized hardware and consumes a lot of energy. Miners use powerful computers to solve the cryptographic puzzles. This energy consumption has raised environmental concerns. However, proponents argue that the benefits of Bitcoin outweigh the environmental costs. The difficulty of the mining puzzles adjusts automatically. This ensures that new blocks are added to the blockchain at a consistent rate, roughly every 10 minutes. In this chapter, we'll explore the various methods to acquire Bitcoin. From buying it on exchanges, to mining, to earning it through goods and services, there are multiple ways to get your hands on this digital currency. Let's dive in and see how you can start accumulating Bitcoin today. First, let's talk about buying Bitcoin on exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. To get started, you'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and link a payment method, such as a bank account or credit card. Once your account is set up, you can easily purchase Bitcoin at the current market price. Another method to acquire Bitcoin is through mining, which we discussed earlier. While mining can be profitable, it requires a significant investment in specialized hardware and consumes a lot of energy. For most people, buying Bitcoin on an exchange is a more accessible opt. You can also earn Bitcoin by providing goods and services. Many businesses and freelancers now accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Platforms like Bitwage allow you to receive a portion of your salary in Bitcoin, while websites like Bitify and OpenBazaar enable you to sell products and services for Bitcoin. By accepting Bitcoin as payment, you can accumulate the digital currency without having to buy it directly. Finally, there are Bitcoin faucets and reward programs. These platforms give away small amounts of Bitcoin in exchange for completing simple tasks, such as watching ads, taking surveys, or playing games. While the rewards are usually small, they can add up over time and provide a way to get started with Bitcoin without any initial investment. Whether you choose to buy, mine, or earn Bitcoin, there are plenty of ways to get involved in the world of digital currency. As Bitcoin continues to gain popularity and acceptance, more opportunities to acquire it will likely emerge. Start exploring these methods today and take your first steps into the exciting world of Bitcoin.